Eli, how old are you today? How old are you today?
2.
2 and
3.
in between 2 and 3, you're right. Are you 2.5? You are? What are you eating?
Toys.
Fries? What else? What's in your cup?
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows? Wow. You sure? What is it?
Chocolate.
Chocolate what?
It's blue.
It is blue. Chocolate what? What are you drinking? Chocolate...
Milk.
Yeah. And chicken nuggets?
Chicken nuggets.
Is this your special 2.5 birthday meal? Is this your special treat? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have anything else to say on your 2.5-year-old birthday?
So you took a nap?
I took a nap.
Alright, glad to hear it. You're silly. Okay, happy birthday. Happy half birthday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.